Getting nervous. I don't know where this cat's at. He's supposed to be here. Supposed to be here. There he is. Hey, what's taking so long? Hey, dude. Hey, take this. Check you later. Check you later? Who says that? We better get out of here. The secret, not meant to be known. Huh. Oh, there's a letter. Return 1 to 2 tools to the salt of the earth. This solution was found floating in the big pond. Use it in your process. All right, let's see what we can get going. Got the recipe, I believe, maybe. I don't know, I met some sketchy fella, so let's start with some of this yogurt stuff. I'm not going to do exactly what they say, but I'll mix mine in a bag. Turn to the salt of the earth, huh? Let's see what we can do. Whew. Mercy, mercy, mercy. All right. All right, so we'll go here and here. I'm gonna go 2. Whip out of it. What do you say? 4 to 6 hours. 4 to 6 hours. Return to the secret location here. See what this concoction has helped me out. On mission Patina restored. Hold your noses. Hold your noses. Woo! Woo! Good gracious. Look at that. What in the world? Ooh, I thought I had 2. Did it eat it? No, hey, this stuff is the cat's pajamas. Look at that. Mercy, look at that one. Look at all that patina. Free. I mean, the easy solution. You gotta have that secret though. Got to have that secret solution. Check you later. That sounds familiar. Check you later. And across the pond. Look at that rascal got back on there. Oh, we're talking high class. Patina boys will love it. Look at that. Ate it all up. Took all the new off of it I'm talking about. We'll be able to make these turn into gems and make unbelievable 5-star restorations. Millions of views. Can't wait. Can't wait. I'm gonna polish these up and give us a final look at them. Y'all hang with me. All right, so we're gonna lightly hit them with a little bit of fine steel wool. Here. This bigger one must be a different type steel. It didn't eat it as bad, but still a beauty to start your videos with. On SK, I mean, top quality American product at one time, and there we are. So man, I appreciate the Cool Kid Club getting the secret to me, somebody, and man, I hope everybody, I can't wait to see everybody else's results. Y'all get on board on this deal. Thank y'all, and y'all have a good one.